Amar is getting his hair cut. Wow, lots of hair.
Now you can grease his head. You see like how you get that dryness?
Yeah.
You can put that grease.
Oh, grease thing? Okay.
Yeah, something like this.
To make
Probably
it
have
more.
one at home.
Okay.
Something like this.
Okay. Don't worry, you're gonna take a shower. You're gonna be nice.
Yeah, so you don't get no dryness in the winter time.
This is your favorite barber, right? Yeah. It's nice. We'll see before and after. Happy Friday. I'm gonna record it before and after your haircut. Amar, look at me. Hoya. Look at me, Hoya. He never used to like haircut. Now he's a big man. Right, Auntie? I was gonna do the lining.
My number changed now. So I think
Oh yeah, okay, so give us your business card. So at least when we're coming, we'll just call you. Love Jackson. I love the lining. Good job. Don't worry, Abdi. You're doing good.
Basketball when you get older, you're so
He's
big.
so tall. He's only 12 years old.
You're gonna dominate. You're gonna dominate everybody. You know that, right?
You better play basketball. Make some scholarship for mommy.
Exactly.
Free education. He's a tall boy for 12 years old.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
Love the lighting. Amar, you're gonna love your haircut.
Problem is, I used to go down there, it takes me like sometimes the traffic like an hour, and I go there, make an appointment with the man, and he still waits a half an hour, you know, like it's crazy.
Faduma is one of the Prophet Muhammad daughter.
Definitely.
So that's why it's a big,
That's why everybody names it.
it's a beautiful name. Because Allah said the best thing you could do your kids is give them a beautiful name with a beautiful meaning. That's a nice name. You look so handsome, Hoya. Amra? Yeah. Amra means princess and Amar means beautiful. But he's been named, he has two names, Amar and Abdul Rashid.
She's like what? She's how old?